Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. In this module, we are going to learn about the accounting treatment of revaluation of assets and liabilities. As we know, revaluation account is the valuation of assets and liabilities at the time of admission or retirement of partner or partners or on the occasion of reorganization of the partnership firm. Revaluation account is a nominal account. It is prepared when a new partner is admitted into the partnership firm or existing partner retired from the partnership firm or in the case of death of a partner. This is the format of or pro forma of revaluation account. Revaluation account is a nominal account. On debit side, first we want to record decrease in the value of assets. Then if there is increase in the value of liabilities, record that transaction on the debit side. Then in the case of decrease in the value of liabilities, that should be entered on the credit side. Then if there is any increase in the value of assets, credit that account on the credit side or record the transaction on the credit side. Revaluation of assets and liabilities may result in the following cases. First one, decrease in the value of asset. Second one, increase in the value of asset. Then third situation is increase in the value of liabilities and decrease in the value of liabilities. Increase in the value of asset is a gain for the company. Decrease in the value of asset is a loss for the company. Then increase in the value of liability is a loss for the company and decrease in the value of liability is a gain for the company. Next we are going to study the important journal entries to be passed in the revaluation account. Now we are going to record the important journal entries in the revaluation account. First journal entry for recording increase in the value of asset. The increase in the value of asset as compared to the book value of old balance sheet is a profit on revaluation. So the entry will be assets account debtor to revaluation account. At the right time of recording transaction revaluation account, we should record this transaction on the credit side as by assets account. Then second journal entry for decrease in the value of assets. Suppose the value of plant and machinery is 60,000. Then the value of plant and machinery during the current year is 40,000. That means there is a decrease in the balance of asset account. In that situation, the entry will be revaluation account debtor to assets account. Next entry for recording increase in the value of liability. During the year 2019, in a creditors account there is a balance of 60,000. Then during the year 2020, there is a balance of 80,000. That means there is an increase in the balance of creditors account with the amount of 20,000. In that situation, we have to pass journal entry. The journal entry will be revaluation account debtor to liabilities account. Next entry is for recording decrease in the value of liability. The entry will be liabilities account debtor to revaluation account. Next entry is for recording unrecorded assets. Sometimes company may not record some assets. At the time of revaluation of assets, the accountant should record that unrecorded asset in revaluation account. The entry will be assets account debtor to revaluation account. Then sometimes in a company there may be unrecorded liability. At the time of admission or retirement or death, while preparing revaluation account, we should record that unrecorded liability in revaluation account. The entry will be revaluation account debtor to liabilities account. After entering all the assets and liabilities, that is increase in asset or decrease in asset, increase in liability or decrease in liability, recording unrecorded assets. After recording unrecorded liability, the last step is finding out the profit on revaluation. For transferring profit on revaluation, the entry will be revaluation account debtor to old partner's capital account. For transferring loss on revaluation, then entry will be old partner's capital account debtor to revaluation account, being loss transferred to revaluation account. These are the important journal entries to be passed at the time of revaluing assets and liabilities of the partnership firm. Thank you.